grass.
I don't taste no sugar.
You don't taste no sugar in this?
Just taste banana.
Cucumber, me suppose that. You smell the drink, you know? Smell the drinking fucking cucumber juice.
Someone never in a book.
More now, I build in this color for Billy. Shannel, come out of the room, Shannel. Give man some.
Go on. Me, come on. Go on. Can you have pressure? Me can't have that.
No, I can't deal with this. I can't be a man.
Shannel, you notice every minute, me in an argument that a boy can take a picnic them and go and far like say bumbo clat man a run down picnic. Me nah go run them down. Me nah go run them down, brother. Where me a run them down for? Where me a run them down for? You know, say me not talk to your people, them, man. Yesterday, my son say he want to talk to me. I'll hang up the fucking phone. Because you want to use my fucking pitney them against you, bro. And that you try fucking do. Why you not go work? Nah, run down it.
But it can be free from doom. I'm not affiliated with the virus of the life.
I try to use the fucking pitney them against me. Nah, go work, bro. A wrong woman me breed.
Yes, I'm new nation is
You can't make you stay so in a Shannel. Because you can't make me stay no way. You can't make me stay no freaking way. And you stay so yourself.
until we break our trust until we leave.
You mean to want to use pick me against? You have the same thing with mommy. When you have mommy catch up. Well, you never go see me your grand pick me them again. In this and that, like say I go kill them. They not go kill them, bro. Eventually when they grow up, they gonna come to the rightful somebody. The rightful somebody gonna come to them. They gonna come to their father eventually. They gonna want to meet them daddy back. They gonna want to see them daddy back. And it's no freaking way I can stop me from my picnic them. That me I tell you. You can't turn my picnic them against me, Shannel. No deal.
Fuck them kids and fuck their mama too.
Shannel, just go on out of my room now, bro. You realize that I'm me I come with the fuck here, you. And the idea people always talk about say me a bumbo clat fucker. You never do ever even bumbo clat say when you come bumbo clat. Nah, bro. You take up your light and sit them. You say, alright, go on, brother. Go on with the light and sit them, brother. Like some people can't buy this, bro. The light not dear, bro. Eh? But how the 5,000 ring light, brother? 5,000 money?
I knew relax.
Nobody get a room for themselves, bro.
Yeah. Not true. Not true. Not true. Kila bien, I go.
Dina, you're too close to me, dog. I'm not going to see me. That's why I want to go in the room, man.
Yeah.
Oh,
At this point, me hear everything. Where Shannel? More and talk to her.
you know, I get Shannel life well, you know.
No man, she not supposed to that wrong. She not supposed to draw the kids them in a nothing. Whether you and her agree, yes or no. She not supposed to do that. Whatever she
Shannel always do that.
did the life, guys. She must stop it because she put up her kids them against him father now. In the future when the kids them watch back them live here and see what really go down, them a go turn on her eat she. So what she a do and what she a do it a go fall right back on her. It's going to fall right back on her. She not supposed to use the kids pan the man. I'm there root to the girl
Always I think a lot
yesterday.
about how she gonna change bird paper and one bag of
I who said it's his favorite, him no mind them. Oh no no say him no mind them. Why would I say that?
mind me pitney them, bro. I yesterday me send money
Don't
to
say that. Uno no know what. Uno no know no. Now because uno see them on social media and everything put up on social media.
They don't know nothing about me and my pocket, so if you come off of my name, bro. You don't know nothing about me and my pocket.
It doesn't matter whether or not him mind the pinning them, yes or no. It's not full concern, but using the kids against him is not right, brother. Shannel is wrong. Uno been see me in the comment section of a root for Shannel yesterday. I found no hear me attack, uno know say she wrong.
Everything
Dragga,
wrong.
just step me down here. All you have to do is just do what you have to do at this point.
Everything me say about Mbok like disrespect. Every fucking thing, bro. Disrespect nobody, bro. Better me just love Mbok like people alone. Cause everything me say I disrespect, brother. You said to me, oh, me and you in a good mood, bro. We no sleep together. We no sleep together. Cause last night you say, me and people, me and woman did lock up in a Airbnb. Me say no, brother. I'm a friend, brother. The girl live far, dog. Explain to the girl and everything. I don't have argument, man. You best, bro. You best if you two of them though, slow me alone. Slow me alone, dog. With peace reign. Why, Dino? Why?
Join the team, yeah, join the team, guys. Join the team.
A peace more, dog. And that's why I go to the girl then. That's why I go to the girl then, bro. I tell my mother, you know, tell my mother say, yo, me I go out. Go clear my mind, understand, dog. And just relax with my friend then. Cause me just stress out, brother. If I'm a Shannel, a TT, if I'm a TT, a Shannel. The two of them, brother. Every day I see him foolish, brother. You know, look good night, you know, bro. You know, look good. If me come on live contact you truth now, no say I disrespect him. Yeah, me not come on this contact no still no, bro. Me I tell you, brother. Me I tell you. And a me, bro. And a me I cause the problem. A them, brother. A them I cause the problem. Y'all a big movie for make me go home to her ass. Cause I'm tired of this.
Thank you, dear. Guys, everybody double tap the screen. Please.
Okay, alright. Listen to correction. I see the correction.
Do a bit of family, guys. Please, me, I beg you. Everybody. Everybody over here. Please, man.
Tell Shannel say yo. I do it, I not have to tell Shannel because everybody know that. Me not pick nobody over my baby mother, brother. Nah pick nobody over my baby mother. I always my baby mother me I go choose. You see me? I'm sure I pray already. I'm sure I pray already, bro. So if I lie, me I tell you why me I come on live attack this thing, bro.
3 more words, guys. That's what I said.
You know what I do? I just lower girl them alone, brother. Lower girl them alone, bro. More free, brother. Better me just be free. Cause relationship has stress, dog. Relationship has stress, brother.
Please, me, I beg you. Everybody were there. If you can focus on the better to sleep, I'm just checking the better for and please, guys. Hurry my people, do better. Everybody were checking, do better to sleep.
My girl go suck out a big thinking bumbuckler daddy. The sour daddy go suck out your daddy. Hey girl, how in there? Your name Alejandra. Go suck out your mother girl. How you man? But go look work. A 3 year now me I work. And a one month now me stop work. 1 fucking month. How you girl? Go suck your mother man. 3 year me I fucking work. Some of you can't even keep on work for 1 month. Go suck your mother girl. But go look work. Your company come beg you nothing. Pussy.
Hilarious. Thank you so much for sharing. Everybody will check in. Guys, you know there's something now? Please. We just start now, but our money go now and that. Yes, come in for Russia.
If me have a problem, then Shannel need to leave me alone. Simple. Since I'm here the problem. For so much years with it. Leave me alone.
Tonight, guys, I'm begging our money gun. Guys, I'm begging our money gun. Please, guys. Guys,
You're allowed not to talk about to come to go look work.
guys, I'm begging our
Allowed not to talk about some to go look work. Me not beg no.
money gun.
I'm quite fine, I have my money.
Please,
I sure I don't have money like I'm go look work. Go suck out on that bumbuck like me.
Please, as a starter.
Oh no man, that's mad.
Take the lead as a starter.
You come and come and watch me for.
Thank you so much, Shannel. Thank you so much.
You go and watch me, man. I watch my pocket.
We really enjoy your pretty girl. Guys, please, man, I just want to focus.
You have your mother up on the back, is that me have.
Just do something for me.
You have your mother up on the back.
Guys, we can play some game and the peaceful games, please. Hmm? You know, yo. Can play some peaceful game, please.
Yeah.
Not water. Zoe, bring your water, come give me, please. Cucumber water? No, give me regular water first. Yeah, my friend. I want to play some and there, but Annie can't get. Annie, I got give it. I want to play. I want to play two times there. Not lie. If you put last night. Alright, call me, Kasumi. Call her now too, cause she available. Call her right now.
No, playing a direct game.
We're not playing a game. Forward there. Come in now.
We're not so now.
We're not playing a game.
Play game. When the can just come and just stop our 5 foolish play.
Ready?
Yeah. It's ready, man. Stop our 5 foolish. Send us something. Ready.
Come back. Take number 1 and number 2 skills.
Come, guys. Hey, baby, what's up? Guys, we're gonna thump on the first double. First double. Thank you, Thompson. Thank you, baby. Jay, thank you. Them there. Give me something for now, man. First double. Thank you. Who's that? Love you, Annie. Love you, baby. Mute.
Thanks, you don't know.
Thank you. Alright, so we get them mute there. Chat, double tap, shot. They're gonna sound taps myself. Guys, we're gonna sound taps, double tap team. Double tap, guys. Guys, tap the screen. Come, guys. I'm getting there. May I get there, guys? Where is a team there? Where is that? Oh, Thompson, I'll come back here. Guys, double tap for me now, please. No.
I'm gonna need a video.
Guys, push your score for me now, please. Am I? Thank you for that, guys. But some roads for now, no. I'm gonna say, am I? Come on, chat, Thompson.
I need to avoid, man.
Ooh, thank you, baby.